Welcome to another edition of NOFOMO's completely biased campsite review. Today we're in Lower Glady dispersed camping area in the Monongahela National Forest in West Virginia. The dispersed camping sites, so we're at number 6, are all along a dead-end gravel road. Dead end's about, I would say, a mile or 3/4 a mile down this direction. In that direction, there were more people here than we expected, but there's still about 3-4 sites still left open on a Tuesday before Memorial Day. All the sites are free. There are some pit toilets, 2 or 3 stations spread along this road, but there's no garbage service, so it's pack in, pack out. The sites don't come with much. Basically self-built fire rings, and that's about it, but our site is okay. We had one on the river, but that one featured a Chuck E. Cheese outlet next door, so that's why we'd rather go to one on the other side that is completely quiet, because our neighbors on either direction are pretty far and wide along. So far so good, especially for a free site. We'll explore the area. There's Beaver Creek area in the vicinity where there's supposedly a lot of trails, so we're gonna check those out probably tomorrow. But now we'll get settled in, so I hope you liked this completely biased campsite review. Subscribe if you haven't, press like if you like the video, and follow us on our travels through the US and eventually across the world.